Do you own a photography business and you were hired as a second shooter, perhaps at a wedding, and you are wondering if you need to charge sales tax to that photographer that hired you? Well, we're gonna go over all of that in this video. If you're new here, my name is Travis Reynolds. I'm a CPA and I help photography studio owners run more profitable studios. So please consider subscribing if you want more content to help your business. So before we answer the question though, let's get an understanding of what sales tax is. Sales tax is typically a tax that a state will require a business to charge to its customers depending on the service or product that is sold. Every state has its own requirements though of what is subject to sales tax. Sometimes a service is subject to sales tax in one state, whereas in another state that service will not. And then in another state, a state might only charge tax on the physical products, such as if you give a photo album, but the digital products will not be subject to sales tax. But in other states, the whole package will be subject to sales tax, such as the digitals, the photo shoot itself, such as the editing, the taking photos, the makeup, all of it. This doesn't answer the question though if you need to charge sales tax as a second shooter, but to get a good understanding of what is subject to sales tax, it's best to check in with your Department of Revenue for your state. Now, to answer the key question though, do you need to charge sales tax if you were hired as a second shooter? And the answer is generally no. That is because typically the photographer hiring you is not paying you for your photos, they are paying you for your labor. And the photos that you deliver to your photographer, they will be charging sales tax to their customer. However, if you were hired as the second shooter and you will be delivering these photos directly to the customer, then that would be subject to sales tax. But you do not need to charge sales tax to the photographer. So I hope this video answered your question. If you got any more questions, just drop them in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer them. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos.